know.
Ladies and gentlemen.
He goes, come on, man, you got any contraband on you now? You got any weed on you now? What you got on you? You got anything in your pockets I need to be worried about? So I started laughing. It's not laughing, man. I'm serious. What's wrong with you? So I claim the benefit of the 1970 Controlled Substances Act, Section 885, burden of civil liability. I'm a registered member of a privately owned organization registered under the federal government under this law to remove us from a suspected class of criminal activity. Thanks to Gamphace, yes. He looked at me, he goes, that law's been revoked. I don't know where you get your information, buddy, but I suggest you get a job. You're lucky this time. I'm throwing this out. But you should do something with your life. And as you see right here, Criminal Court of the City of New York, County of New York, summons 431-583-0574. HAKIM Green A. As of the above referenced date, the NYPD has failed to file a legally acceptable accusatory instrument with this court. There is no need for you to return to court on the summons number referenced above. Woo. No plea, no plea. Just put on record who I am and what I belong to, and the window opens up. Thank you, Gamphace. All we do is spark madness on chill. Today is September 2nd, 2015. I went to court today to answer to a summons that was given to me back in July 7/14/15 on a possession of marijuana charge. I was going to see my friend True Master, who was in court for some unrelated business. I was going to his hearing, and I had weed at about 3.5 grams on my person as I was going to the Manhattan District Court on Center Street, and they found the weed. I was arrested, taken upstairs, and booked, and given a summons to return to court today. And I went to the court clerk to schedule my hearing. I was scheduled for September 3rd, but he told me if I wanted to go to my hearing, he would reschedule it for 2 o'clock today. He told me I was an idiot for having weed on my person. I was stupid, and what was I thinking? He was like, you know, do I need to have somebody come search you now if I had anything on my person at that moment? I mean, any weed on my person at that moment. So when he started going in, I said, well, just for the record, I claim the benefit of the 1970 Controlled Substances Act, Section 885, burden of proof and liabilities, which states, it shall not be necessary for the United States to negative any exemption or exception set forth in this subchapter in any complaint, information, indictment, or other pleading, or in any trial, hearing, or other proceeding under this subchapter, and the burden of going forward with the evidence with respect to any such exemption or exception shall be upon the person claiming its benefit. When I said that to him, he said, you're out of your mind, that law has been revoked, you need to stay away from Fort Washington. But today's your lucky day, I'm dismissing this. And he gave me a notice that says, you can see it right here, that's the initial ticket summons. And this is what I got today after I made him understand who I was in relationship to this law. It says, as of the above reference date, the NYPD has failed to file a legally acceptable accusatory instrument with this court. There is no need for you to return to court on the summons number referenced above. Retain this notice for your records. All we do is spark Madison. Gamphace. Salute.
down.